I want to just geek out about something for like 2 seconds. My favorite YouTuber of all time has come back to YouTube after a 5-year stint, sorry, my phone's gonna fall off the ground. After like 5 years of like not being on YouTube. I didn't realize the hole she had left in my heart. Like, I absolutely love this woman. I'm too invested in her life. You're one of those people who just influence the shit out of you. Like, they buy something and you're like, that's cool. You know, I want that. Like, I need to have it. She bought a new phone case, and I haven't bought a new phone case since my ex drove over it, which was 2 years ago. So I feel like I definitely need a new phone case. I'm gonna show you the phone case. Okay. So the phone case that she bought is the OSA phone case. It's like one of those like Instagram ads, you see them all the time. Anyway, this place is called OSA. It's from New York, but why I bought it was it has these two little connectors, and you can connect stuff onto them. But what she did, because she's a clever bitch, is she connected like a necklace onto it. I then got her link and bought the necklace to connect it. So I'm gonna show you. I haven't opened this, so this might not work. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna honestly be so upset. I bought a short one and a long one for like a crossbody, and then like a hand one. Also, ordered all of this from America. I didn't know that you could order American Amazon to the UK. Like, I didn't know that you could just switch countries and do that. No idea. Okay, so it's one of those like old fucking dog chains. But it's really thick, and I couldn't get a thick one in the UK Amazon. Right. It fucking works. I just think this is just way cooler than anything else I've seen. Everything else is too girly, too breakable. They're like so thin and flimsy. This is like my vibe. Anyway, I want to try. So this is a short one. Do you know what I mean? Or get the long one on here. Okay. I've got it. We've got it down. Look at this fucking bitch. I'm sorry, but like, come on. Fucking, like, this is everything I've wanted and more. It's just so big and over the top. It's so, I love it. I absolutely fucking love it. It's giving like emo. This was so worth all the shipping charges. It totally was. It's made me joyous. Although, is it giving like pearl necklace? Is it giving grandma? Don't fucking say that to me. No, I don't think it is. I love it. Because TikTok has just made me so paranoid, because I live in London, that my phone's gonna get fucking snatched out of my hand. Honestly, would love to see it. Would love to see someone fucking pull it from the death grip that I would have on it. But anyway, safety first. Also, like, go watch all Hey Claire's stuff. Her stuff is like aesthetically beautiful, wonderfully shot, like just incredibly considered and composed. Those sort of like comfort FaceTime type videos, if you're into that sort of thing, I absolutely am here for it. Yeah, go watch all her content. You will not be disappointed.